All right, going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol BLTA, currently traded at 0028. You guys see this right here. We've went through this one multiple times, and as always, shout out to everybody that follows BLTA over on Investors Hangout and being so dedicated to our site. We definitely do appreciate that from both myself and Joe. You guys have been here since literally day one, and we do appreciate you guys bringing that here. So that being said, let's take a look at the last time that we went through the stock. It would be about right here. Okay, I said watch for buying to pick up and stay steady. Resistance at 0.2, 0.02, 2.5. Large support at 0.016, 1.514. Well, the buying didn't pick up, or the volume didn't pick up, but the buying did. Look at that, boom, right through there. The next day, you guys opened right there. And I want to point something out here real quick before I get into what's going on right now, just in the recent few days. And we've talked about this with many stocks for everybody that's following. It's so important that a stock, when it closes, it opens at the same price. Okay, like that right there. It closed right here and it opened and boom, it took off. And then now you have a gap up and it looks like things are slowing down. So if you would have opened up right around that area, the same area today, you could have definitely been there without that gap. But right now you guys have a gap, unfortunately, and you guys are outside that upper Bollinger Band. Doom and gloom? No, it's not what I'm saying, but I think that it is going to pull back. I would say based on what I'm seeing right here, I would say roughly between 0.021 and 0.020. So like I previously said, the resistance level right there is now becoming a support line. You guys can see exactly where I said that right there. So 2.5, that would be a support line up there higher, but 2.120 is going to be definitely a support line to keep an eye on. What do I think is going to happen here? I basically think that it's just going to go sideways here for a few days and become into that that wedge that I always talk about with the simple day moving averages and slightly pull down. I don't think that the trend's over. I don't think that anything like that. I don't think anything bad. Everything looks solid as far as I'm seeing here technical analysis wise. Just right now, you guys are starting to get into the extension of the chart with the gaps. So we're going to watch for this thing to pull back and possibly bounce off of that. I could be wrong. It could pull back maybe tomorrow and then take off from there, or tomorrow it could open up and just take off. But I'm just telling you what I think as far as the chart goes. And then Joe can take over.
All right, so there's no recent updates on the company since the last time we went over it. So as always, I mean, if you're interested in learning more about the company, feel free to go over to the Investors Hangout BLTA board and have your way with looking over. Right now there's 30,639 posts over there about the company. There's basically just a lot of different investors that are invested within that company over there on that board. So it's very active, and I'm sure they can basically inform you. There's a lot of different information regarding to due diligence and whatnot. So that's pretty much that, Dave.
Okay, and so let me go ahead and finish what I was doing here. I wasn't expecting him to be so quick here, but that's fine. All right, so right here, 0028 watch, GAP, gap at 0025. Go ahead and put that in there. Gap at 002526. In my opinion, will pull back to 0021 and bounce off 10-day simple moving average. So that's what we're going to be looking for with this one. That being said, if you follow BLTA, make sure you hit subscribe right now to stay updated with the hottest stocks in the market and this one. And as always, if there's another one that you're following that you would like to share with us, head over to investorshangout.com/live and let us know. We'll be sure to take your hot stock and add it to the list.